Good morning, students. Today we are going to construct the triangles in question number 1 and 2 of exercise 10.3. Question number 1 says construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, DF is equal to 3 centimeter and measure of angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Last time we have constructed triangle with 3 sides given. This construction is little bit different. Here they have given us 2 sides and 1 angle. So how to construct? First of all, see where the angle we have to make. Here they have told EDF is equal to 90 degree. That means we have to construct angle at D. Right? D will be the angle. Our angle will be D. So we are supposed to take likewise. So what we will do? We will take either DE is equal to 5 centimeter or DF is equal to 3 centimeter. Whatever you want, you can take and draw one line of 5 centimeter. So let us start. We are supposed to construct DE. I am constructing DE is equal to 5 centimeter. This is our DE. Please follow what I am asking you to do. Wherever you need, you can pause and again repeat it. So this is DE is equal to 5 centimeter. Now take your compass, open little bit, not too much and not too little. Put it on D for measuring 90 degree. We are learning to construct 90 degree. How to construct 90 degree. For that purpose, I will make one semicircle, placing the needle on D. Right? Construct a semicircle which cuts DE at, you can say anything, at X. Let us say that at X it is cutting the DE. Now taking the same measurement which we have opened. Right now we have opened this much, right? While placing on D. The same measurement we are supposed to put the needle on X, this point of intersection of DE and X, where we have placed X, and cut one arc. Name it as Y. Right? Now putting the needle on Y, cut one another arc. Name it as Z. Now again taking the same measurement, keeping the needle on Y only, cut one another angle in between Y and Z. Okay, this is our Y, this is our Z. Again repeating, first you are supposed to take one semicircle with the same measurement, put it on X, cut one arc, that is Y. Now putting needle on Y, cut one arc, that will be our Z, and one another arc which will be between Y and Z. Now taking the needle and placing it on Z, cut one arc which intersects the previous arc at F. We will name it as F. No, I will not name it as F. I will name it some other point. Let me name it as P. Let us say it is P. Now join P and D. The point of intersection of P and D, join it and extend it further. Now on DP cut the measure of 3 centimeter. Why 3 centimeter? Because DF we have to take 3 centimeter. DF is 3 centimeter. So I will cut 3 centimeter by placing the compass, measuring it 3 centimeter, open it till 0. Now place the needle on D. Place the needle on D and cut one arc which intersects at DP. This point of intersection will be our F. Now joining F to E. We will get our triangle DEF, in which, if you see, we got, this is our 90 degree. You can see, if I place the protector properly and measure it, we will get 90 degree. If I measure DE, it will be 5 centimeter, and if I measure DF, it will be 3 centimeter. So this is our construction. If you have not got how to draw this triangle, please go through it once more. Now moving to the second part, second question. Question number 2 says, construct an isosceles triangle in which the lengths of each of its equal sides is 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. You know that in isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So they have told us that those equal sides are of 6.5 centimeter and angle between them, let us say that these are the equal sides, 6 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, and this is the angle between them, which we have to take as 110 degree. So we are supposed to construct this type of triangle. Students, in question number 1, we have constructed 90 degree by the use of compass, and you are supposed to use the compass for drawing 90 degree. You are not supposed to use your protector for drawing 90 degree. But for this question, we will use protector because with compass it is not possible. So what we will do? We will take BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter first. Let us start. This is 6.5, starting from here till 0. This is our BC, right? Name it as BC. Draw BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. You are supposed to write steps of constructions also. So you will say draw BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Now on B, draw angle ABC is equal to 110. Let me see from here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. You will place it one point over here and join B and that point. Let us say it is X. Let us say it is X. Now on BX, on this BX line, we are supposed to cut one arc which is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Let me take 6.5 centimeter with the help of compass. So this is 6.5 centimeter. Now place the needle on BC, on B, and cut one arc on BX. Name that arc, name that intersection point as A. Join AC. Join AC. That will be our triangle ABC of 110 degree, and two sides is equal to two sides of 6.5 centimeter each. Isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, two sides are of equal length. Here we have measured with the compass, here with the scale, and over here we have measured with the compass. Let us see if we have got 6.5 both the sides, 6.5, and with the protector we will see if we have got 110 also. So this is our triangle ABC. They have not given that we are supposed to draw ABC. You can draw any PQR. If they have mentioned like in the question number 1 DEF, then only you are supposed to give that name. If they have not mentioned, you can take any triangle. So this was all for these two questions. We will meet with new questions in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.